guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do an updated everyday makeup look because the last time I did one was around the summertime and I don't wear that much makeup. And to be completely honest, I'm usually too lazy to do this for like class and stuff, but if I'm just like going out and I don't want to look cute, this is the look I'll go for. More often than not, I'll actually use the lip gloss option because liquid lipstick's just like a little too much, but it looks really nice. Like, I feel like I look so cute right now and no one can tell me otherwise. If you want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching and I'll just see you in the next clip. On to the next clip. First off, I'm starting off with my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I really love this primer. I just have the travel size. I definitely need to get the bigger one. It's not going to be a full voiceover, just letting you know from now on. And for foundation, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Truffle. And that's the end of the voiceover. Please enjoy the video. So to blend out my foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just going to buff this into my skin. And I'm just concealing my eyes with the NYX HD corrector or HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. I use 8.8 and then just the regular 8. I'm going to be using the same concealer combination to highlight my face. Just use the Beauty Blender to blend it all out. I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier Medium Deep powder. And I'm not going to bake because, as I mentioned a few times, I don't like baking. I feel like it just makes my under eyes look weird. And then I'm just gonna take a bigger brush and just do the rest of my face. Because I'm not gonna powder contour, especially for everyday. I feel like that's just way too much. I'm also not using like that much powder because I don't want my makeup to end up looking cakey or anything. So I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. So I just powdered my face. I think that's where I left off. Did my eyeliner and my mascara. The mascara I used was the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. And the eyeliner was the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So I'm just gonna contour my face. Just powder contour because cream contour is way too much for every day. I'm just using this Morphe PK4 brush. They don't actually sell this on the Morphe site. If you use Morphe Me, which is a subscription service, you can get brushes like this. Like I have the R's, like this is for Christmas. But they also do give you like the regular Morphe brushes. My nose. So I do want to have a snatched nose for school. For highlight, I'm just going to use my ABH Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. And just going to use bronzed. This actually reminds me of Le Bronze by Jackie Aina. Well, Le Bronze is more like rose goldy. If that's even a word. I don't think it's a word. So I have two lip options that I usually go for, but I line my lips either way. And this is the Annabelle Espresso Lip Liner. So the first lip option is to go with the gloss, and my favorite is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. But I guess it's just a gloss bomb. Honestly, this lip gloss is honestly my favorite. I said honestly twice in that sentence. But it really is my favorite. After my first impressions for Fenty, I've just been using it so much. I don't even use any of my other lip glosses because I just love this one so much. So this is more of like a natural, like everyday lip option. And the second lip option is this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Crucifix. It's like the perfect nude. If I'm feeling a little bit extra, I usually do a inner corner highlight. And it's just like the same color that I use for my regular highlight. Let's put a little bit. My tear duct. Like that. I think it looks nice. So, okay, let me take this down so you can see what it looks like with my hair and everything. Don't mind my edges. I don't like doing my edges when I have braids in. Okay, so this is what I usually look like on an everyday basis. It's more natural. You more or less can't tell that I'm wearing much makeup except for like the eyeliner, but you can totally omit that step because it's optional. And the highlight kind of gives it away, but I think it looks nice. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and leave some comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Now I'm speechless. Guys, do you see this? She followed me back. I am literally so, oh my gosh, this is awesome. I'm speechless. Oh my gosh. Now we have to do some throwbacks, you know? Let's drop. I can't dance, so don't clown me. I'll take you home if you don't meet me at the front door. So now you're falling in love, where you go now. This song is my favorite. feel good, feel good, feel good. Well, I'm not paralyzed, but I seem to be struck by you. Me on my way to you. Should I do a Getting Lit With Me throwback version? Like, back in the day, well, I still listen to this stuff now, but I used to love, like, rock and, like, punk music and, like, that emo stuff, and then some pop and some rap. Not really rap, because I thought rap was just, like, weird. But I'm, like, really into rap, so I'll have a card up. I think it's on this side. It's up here. Actually, maybe it's up here. Anyways, do you guys want me to do that video? If you do, smash that like button to let me know, and I'll definitely do it because these songs get me hype. I love my throwback songs so much, even though I don't listen to them that much, but listening to them again just makes me feel so good and just brings me back to the simpler times when you didn't have to pay bills or do homework. Well, like university homework, and had to work so you could buy stuff. Your parents would just buy stuff for you back in those simpler times. So yeah, now the video is actually over, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.